Garam samosa. Samosa lelo. So see you at the spot. Alright. Alright guys, so look at this stream, guys.
Hello! Once again, finally!
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, a brand new dance.
Good morning, beautiful people. What is up? Welcome back to another video. And guys, surprise, this is my friend and it's like an elder brother.
Hello guys.
His name is Kangpokpi. Now we're at Singzamay. There's no store for breakfast. We've been searching for a store like a hotel. We didn't find any hotel, but only here in Singzamay. Finally,
Samosa.
and this is called samosa. Samosa. The plan for today is going to
ERENG waterfall.
ERENG.
Yeah.
I thought it was ERENG.
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 Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was IRANG.
No, ERENG.
ERENG.
Yeah.
ERENG. Haha. So guys, please stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Samosa Hotel.
Tamocha Hotel. Oh. The name of the hotel is Tamocha Hotel. It's so garam and so delicious. Now we're heading to Kangpokpi, guys. We will be meeting up there with his friends. Garam samosa. Samosa lelo.
These are my friends. This is Danny. And then this is Marley. We are here at Kangpokpi. This is my friend Rabi.
Alright guys, so right now we are at Kangpokpi. They are stopping by there, and I'm gonna show you the overbridge, which is right in front of me here. Unlucky as guys, they called me back before I reach the place, and now we are like six of us. None of them are my friends. And here they are with 3 vehicles already.
4 vehicles.
4. Oh, it's already 4. We will be going with this one,
And that
and that one. Alright guys, so one of our friends, he's joining us. He's gonna ride with us.
Hey.
And his name
Nanao.
His name is Nanao from Kangpokpi. Where's Kangpokpi?
MU.
Okay. Oh,
MU.
Nanao from Kangpokpi. Guys, if you know him, please comment down below. So now we have reached Singda Dam, and from here we will be walking by foot. It's raining guys, it's so boring. Alright guys, so we have just reached our destination, and from here we will be walking by foot, so please stay tuned until we reach the spot, the waterfall. Alright guys, as you can see behind me, that's a picnic spot. Let me go and find some place for pee-pee. This is called exploring guys. Into the woods. Oi. The Lone Explorer. I found one temple. So in Manipuri we call this as Laisang. Woo! forest. Wow! Where will this road leads me? Let's go, let's find out. See guys, there's a small stream. Wow, the water is clear. People living here nearby, they are so lucky. Alright guys, so let's head back. Whew. We are about to reach the ERENG waterfall, so the road condition is like this. Alright guys, so the road condition here is terrible. So we're gonna stop the car here. See, we are with five vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at our shoes.
I can help.
What's your name?
I'm Danny.
Danny. From?
Yasko.
Yashko. Oh, Nova! Hey! He's my new friend. Nova.
Okay. Bye.
It starts to rain. So let's hope the rain stops before we reach the waterfall. He had been here.
My brother.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how long we're gonna take from here.
It's a kilometer away.
So
We're going to travel a kilometer away. So depending on your studies, you should guess how much time or how long it might take
all right.
for us to reach our destination.
Okay. So guys, the road here is not plain. One thing, it's not plain. It's uphill. We're going uphill. See. I think we're gonna take like 1 hour. I'm tired already, guys.
There might be too
So
long, I guess.
so see you at the spot. Alright. Alright guys, so 아시다 많이 따지 sak 왜 파세요 봐. Warbo. Wadi. Alright guys, so we're about to reach the destination. We can hear the sound of the waterfall. If I'm not wrong, it's right over there. Let me run. We break. Look at the stream. ERENG waterfall. Woo! Look at this stream, guys. Let's hear some information about this ERENG waterfall.
Hello! Once again, finally we are at the exact point that we had been for the past couple of hours riding through, bypassing the hot seat on our feet, and finally we're here. And right behind me you could see the cascading white packet right to my left and my right. And this reminds me of the human nature during our younger days when we were not manipulated by human nature and as you can see right behind me, it brings you the tranquility that nature brings to you. The serenity of the place, as you can see, has been disturbed by the water that goes through the boulders, as you can see behind me, and it's the gift of nature to us. And we should never forget that nature is the only source and the only means that would elongate the life of nature as well the life of us humans. And with this, I bid farewell to all you guys and hope you would see me in my next video. Bye bye, tata.
Hey! My pen is all wet till here. I'm still gonna climb up here. The water, it runs here very well. See.
Same song a brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I gotta
Wow!
They think we're too damaged to fix, but
The water current here is so strong.
working through a little
You guys, look at my feet and look at my foot.
Woo. But I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why.
And here, guys, I remember the men versus wild. I'm gonna go around here. Woo! Let's go! Wow! I'm gonna jump down here. Alright guys, so that's for it for the video. And now we're going back home. We're going back. Oh, it's uphill. And now guys, we're gonna have bora. This is what we call bora with tea. We came back from that waterfall spot, and now we are here. We're stopping by to have a tea. This one, and on the back there's one more car, and this one. That's it for this video, guys. So until then, see you, tada, bye bye, peace.